So, on to part 2 of the police cars. And today's police car is the Harder PCPD Mesquite.
Let's do a race with this bad boy. Start things off with a race. And also, you can't do the burning routes. I think they're just for the regular cars only. I think this race goes to the Naval Yard, I think? Yep, the Naval Yard.
Race southwest to the Naval Yard.
Alright, off we go. There's a Carson Thunder Custom, LGGP Concept, ESN Code Supercar, Carson Annihilator. Whoa! We're on opposite roads, which is kind of weird. I don't think we're going to win this one, but that's okay. No big deal. But I don't know if this is the right car for a stunt run, but we'll see. I think it's right over here. Over here.
You know where the stunts are around here? Prove it.
Oh, I'll prove it, alright. This, and just like with the regular Hunter Mesquite, it kind of looks like it's got like a big old trunk at the back. I think we could make this jump over here. Maybe we go by the train station because I think that's the best place to do stuff by far. The New World Symphony also reminds me of like giraffes or something. But you know what it reminds me of, if I've been talking about all of those videos. We're about to jump up again. Oh yeah. Make this right over here. We're gonna make it right over here. Flat spin, successful. Maybe make another flat spin. You don't want to be too early or too late on flat spin, let me tell you that. We're about to go down this ramp. Jump, nice and easy. Go down, go down. Successful. Part 2. Yeah. I think we're think we might have won, but we'll see. And that's it. Over 2 million, wow. Nice. Road reach time.
Hit the takedown target to get a mark on your license.
Let's get it on. Oh, there's a Hunter takedown 4x4. Oh, Carson Inferno van. 2 of them. Carson Annihilator. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, there's a Carson fastback. Whoa. Wow. Oh, Jesus. Whoa! Oh.
Instant replay.
Jump! Fell off the edge there. That's okay. See if we can do this race.
Race southeast to the Naval Yard.
The Naval Yard again. Ah. Doesn't matter which race you do. Like I said, I've said this many times. We've already done all the events. Well, with the stunt run with this thing, we actually performed that stunt run with this thing very well. And I think I read on the Burnout Wikipedia that the Hunter Reliable Custom could also do a good job on the stunt run if it's on full boost. It's okay. Maybe we'll do another road race to make us feel better.
It's road rage. Beat the takedown target for the win.
And I think I see a Hunter takedown 4x4 behind him. There he is. I thought this, but DJ Tomka, I remember him saying like this is like Big Surf Beach. But there is Big Surf Island. It's near the waterfront plaza, I think. I wonder what gives the Naval Yard's name Fort Lawrence. Ocean View. Oh, a little flat spin. Oh, fell in the water. Fell in the water. It's alright. Fell in the old water.
Race southeast to the Wildcats baseball stadium.
The Wildcats baseball stadium. Here we go. At least we're going the right way. I think. I believe we're going the right way. I mean, the Wildcats baseball stadium is just ahead. It's right over here. Oh my god. I suck at races with this car. I suck at races. Apparently I do suck. But let's think positive. So let's be nice. Marksman we haven't done all day today, so let's get this one down. I think this one goes to the country club. I think this is the only one that goes to the country club.
Survive the drive north to the country club.
Alright, where are those 100 civilians at? Where are the black cars at? I hear them. Oh, there they are. There they are. There they are. Oh! Oh!
Instant replay.
I mean, the country club is not too far from here. Yep. Yep. I think I deserve that.
Instant replay.
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Oh, phew. Oh, no dodgeball. We don't want no dodgeball. Ah. I think we're here. And we're here. Alright, let's head back home. Alright, we're back home. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next police car will be the Nakamura PCPD SI7.
So you are the man, and that brings it, there you have it. That is part 2 of the police cars in the book. So until next time, as we continue, as the Nakamura PCPD SI7. We'll catch you guys next time. Don't get a bunch of leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Try to find the Bobby Ghost SG on YouTube. I've seen us right here on Bobby Ghost SG. Just on Instagram, HT. And if you don't like this video, I'm gonna outrun you. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Prince of the Middle East.
To see some behind the scenes and photos, be sure to follow us on Instagram. Turn on notifications. Go check out my second channel, Micro Shark Report. And I guess we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.